So the default, right from the factory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To lock it, you push the button from the outside. You can, in theory, unlock it with the default code. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the default programming code, also will lock and unlock it. So you see, so right off the bat to program it, once it's programmed, it can lock. And you can unlock it with the key. We know everything's hooked up. So, simple install. Here's where people have problems. The first thing you should do, you can use you have to enter in a new programming code. So they recommend 4 to 6 digits as your programming code, and then you can add into up to 10 user codes. And one important thing I'm going to show you is if you screw up along the process, we can set it back to default. So right now I'm going to show you how to program it. The instructions are okay on this, but like most of the instructions, they're hit and miss, you'll make mistakes. So we know right now it works perfect. On the inside, so you have to remove, and do this with the door open. Do not, to remove this plate, just squeeze in here, and it just comes off. Now do it with the door open, because if you screw up, you're locked out. And I have a lot of customers, they call me in a panic. They've tried to reset everything, and they're locked out. And we're totally screwed. They don't have the keys half the time. So it's a lockout we have to pick, or however we have to get it open. So to reset the programming code, the first thing you do is press the set button for 1 second. It will beep. Now I hit my programming code. Then I hit lock. Then I hit 1, 0, lock again. I punch in my new programming code, and I hit lock again. Now let's let it go through its cycle here, because I always rush this thing and it screws up on me. Let's wait till the red turns green. Now they should tell you this in the instructions, don't rush it. Because every time I get in trouble with this lock is because I'm impatient and I start pushing buttons. Now, there we go. Now, the new programming code, let's see if we lock it. Yes. The new programming code. We have set the programming code. Now, this is really important. You gotta let it think. This thing is a slow thinker. So, this screwed me up so many times, and you just have to be patient. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to add in, we have up to 10 user codes. And I'm going to show you what happens when you screw up this thing totally, which I have done many times. So, 2, and the instructions are actually pretty good. One thing is hard to find is how to reset it back to factory when you screw up totally. Now I'm going to set my user code. So I press set from the inside, which we've seen before, hold the set for 1 second. Then I have my new programming number. Then I hit lock. And I hit 2, 0, 2, 0, lock. My new code, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I hit lock. Now let's let it think. It's showing red. If you rush it, is when it causes trouble. I don't know why this thing takes so long to think. But impatient people like me rush it. And I've never seen any lock take so long. This thing is not Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's strictly, there we go. Now, let's see if it locks. It locks. Let's see if it'll unlock on the new code. Works. Must be patient. So I can put up to 10 numbers. Now, let's say I've screwed everything up. or the first time seeing this lock, and I want to go back to factory default. Remove one battery. Inserting the battery, we have to hold the set button. Ah. Oops, did I do that right? They say hold the button until the long beep is over. Let's see what happens. Cool. Did it lock? No. Oh, okay. So it's resetting itself. So the old code is now in there. Let's try the old programming code. That is out. New programming, let's just lock it. Let's put in the new programming code. Very good. If you screw up, remove the battery, then put the battery and hold the set at the same time. It'll put it right back to factory specs. I'm pretty impressed with it.